be mine.
Let me tell you about your boyfriend. Yeah, he's got another girlfriend. Baby, I just gotta let you know, you really gotta let him go. Let me tell you about your boyfriend. Yeah, he's got another girlfriend, knocking him through the bedroom wall. You know she ain't a friend now. Maybe this ain't gonna be as bad as you thought, and maybe we don't have to sneak around anymore, no. Maybe when you leave, you'll end up with me after all. Oh yeah, and I could be your boyfriend.